pero kamusta po yung kalusugan?
I think I'm okay. I work out every day. I sleep early. I wake up early. So, well, siyempre, ano yun eh. Idle minds are devil's workshop. Yun yun eh. Pati magagawa kasi naghahanap sila ng i-istoryahin. Tingin ko naman okay naman ako.
Your message, sir, doon sa mga nagpapakalat na you're not well.
Dahil pinapaimbestigahan ko yan. Oo, pinapaimbestigahan ko yan. Kasi we've reached the limit of cyber libel already. Tignan natin kung saan pupunta. Pinaimbestigahan ko yan. I'm asking the NBI to look into these allegations and this scuttlebutt kung saan nagbula sa social media. So we will know. And sometime, you really have to extract justice from people. Hindi mo talaga pwedeng pabayaan na lang. Kasi pattern to, parang dry run to, for things to come later on. Kung ginagawa nila ito ngayon, gagawin pa nila lalo yan. Pag hindi yan na sa mata. Pag ginaawat yan. Okay?
Sir, yung mga ganito pong reports on your health and yung nag-a-announce ng filing.
Lumabas na nga ako.
na hindi
I
naman
came out on my radio program last Saturday. Sunday, meron naman, tuloy na naman. Talaga makikita mo yung bad faith. There's really an orchestrated campaign. I don't know for what purpose, pero tingin ko, it's part of the propaganda machine of some political parties.